Hello everyone! Today we will be looking at some amazing top tips and tricks on a Word document. Before we go into that, please don't forget to click at the like button and the red subscribe button under this video. Now let's go! The first one is way too much one of my favorites. So it's dark mode. So give your eyes a bit break. First we're gonna go to file, then we're gonna find account all the way down. Then we're gonna go to office theme and we're gonna find three options, gray, black or white. I'm gonna click black because that's dark mode. This trick will never affect the colors like text colors, shape colors, etc. So it will not affect. Even if a highlighter is black, it will not affect. If it comes to your mind to print a paper, it will not stay black. The background will change automatically to a white background, so don't worry. The second trick was also one of my favorites. So as you can see, I can copy and paste multiple items into my clipboard. So as you can see right now, I'm just copying them into the clipboard. So yes, and if I pasted them, it will just paste the last word I copied. So you can paste them all at the same time in your Word document. So I have a top tip for that. Let's see how. First we're gonna go to the arrow up there and then we need to click in this place. Then we're gonna find the clipboard in your left hand side. Then we can click at any word we just copied and it will just paste to your Word document. Magic. So the third one is a brilliant one that will save a lot of your times if you're like a teacher of grade 1, KG1, KG2, like that. So it's gonna save a lot of your time. So if you want to put if you want to sort the alphabetical order of your words, you can select them all and then go to the sort text, and then you need to click on the options I just put. Then as you can see right now, you can see it's in alphabetical order, so A, B, C, C, K, L, L, O, P, P, S, T. It's in alphabetical order right now. It even works the same with numbers. So as you can see, I need to select them all and then go to the same option, and then you need to click at the same options, but you need to change it until numbers. It will be automatically there, and then it is sorted. And also other numbers, as you can see, do the same thing. no more Google Translator. So for Word documents, you don't need any Google Translator anymore after you see this trick. So you need to go to Review, then click at the Translate option. Then you're gonna find the Translate selection. You need to click in this option. When you clicked it in your right hand corner of your Word document, you're gonna find a big rectangle that shows you the translator option that you can translate from the text. So as you can see, I am selecting the language that I need to make to change the text into it. So I'll change it into Arabic. So as you can see, it is now translated. So you can copy and paste it to the Word document and abracadabra. You can also change the line spacing, as you can see. If I clicked at the option that tells me in home, if you clicked at this option over there, you can find that you can space the lines in any text or any paragraph, but you can also do it with a shortcut in your keyboard. Let's see how. So the first shortcut is the Ctrl+1. So you need to click Ctrl+1. First you need to select the text and then click at Ctrl and then 1. So it's gonna space it for you like that, as you can see. The second shortcut is Ctrl+2. You can use it also to space the lines between any paragraph or any text, as you can see like that. And the last one is Ctrl+5, which you can also use to space lines like that. So as you can see, you can click at Ctrl+5 to space them like that. Using templates to save your time with your Word documents, you can go to Files, New, then you can find a lot of templates over there. You can also search any template you need. For example, cookies, for example, healthy food, etc. So now I'll insert it to the Word document that I need, as you can see. So yes. I really hope you liked watching this video. If you liked watching it, please don't forget to click the like button under this video and the subscribe button too. See you next video. Bye.